Hi, and welcome to Unlimited3D. In this video, we'll show you what can be set up using camera control options. We'll use this already set up model as an example, and we'll explain the various options that can be found under camera control settings. Navigate to the Camera Controls tab on the right-hand side menu, and choose between the already existing camera controls. You can of course make a new one, or rename the existing one, whatever you find appropriate. We'll add a new one, and click on it in order to open the left side menu with all the options. Let's go through it now. Here, we can adjust the speed of the rotation in order to make the effect either faster or slightly gentler and slower. Auto-rotation is a frequently used option, which allows for the model to auto-rotate on the scene. We can also control the speed of it. In Camera Controls, we can also set the camera target. With distance, we determine the minimum and maximum camera distance from the object. If we want to limit the angle at which the model can be viewed, we'll use the polar angle option. Another commonly used option is one allowing the model to be rotated by the user. We can make it either limitless or set a limitation as we did right here. This is the most used option, but feel free to explore and see what results you can get after setting up each option. Once you've made all desired adjustments in the camera control options and are done, be sure to use that camera control in the default scene as well. Once that's set up, save the solution and it's ready for publishing. Now, we can check if everything is properly set while working with camera controls. Thanks for watching. We're looking forward to having you as a part of our community.